The Longhorns take the field behind left-hander Jared Spencer as he goes through his sticky substance check on the mound. The first pitch of the ball game is a strike, and we're underway. Hit in the air, deep, left center field, way back, and gone. 1-0 Texas. Because he's been amazing. Flores gets him again. 2-1 Texas. On the ground, past the diving first baseman, and knocked down by Wilson. He'll have no play, but he saved a run. Heads up play by the second baseman. The pitch. Through the right side, a base hit. 1 run is home. Second man coming to the plate. The throw cut off. It's 4-1 Texas. Bounces it to the right side and through. A base hit. 2 runs are going to score. Flores stops at second. Cole Chamberlain's first Division I college hit. A 2-run single to right, and it's 6-1 Texas. In the air to right. Going back on it, Hotchkiss to the fence. It's out of here. Alvon with his first of the year. It's 9-1 Texas. That one chopped to the middle. Could be 2. Carlo to second for 1, on to first, a double play. Gasparino scores. It makes it 10-7 Texas. Called strike 3. Just did clip the corner with a breaking ball, and the inning is over. Washington and Texas separated by a run. Texas 10, Washington 9. Popped up. Second baseman waving for it. Mendoza has it. Grubbs works a perfect ninth, and Texas hangs on to beat Washington 10-9. And it turned into an offensive showdown.
He'll take the W, and for Washington again,